Predictions. Can you change your future? We have all come across various tools, people who have the ability to predict events in the future. And we wonder, how is this possible? We are fascinated. How is this possible? How mystical is all this? How is it that astrology, palmistry, tarot, numerology, runes, oracle cards, and various other tools predict the future? How can psychics see the future? How do premonitions of the future work? How is it that they see images, movies about events that are going to happen in the future? How are some people shown the future of Earth during their near-death experiences or NDEs? How is it possible that these tools can give or let you know how your life is going to unfold when you yourself do not know what the future holds? How is it possible that tools tell you what others will do in respect to your life? How is it possible that the tools accurately tell you others' emotions, feelings? How is it possible that the tools tell you what others are thinking? How can they tell you your lifespan? How can they tell you who you will marry? How can they tell you how many children you will have? How can they tell you that you will relocate to a different place or country? How can they tell you whether you will get the job offer or not? How can they tell you that you will get money, become rich? The list is endless. After all, how is it possible to know what decision will I take about something I don't even know exists at this point in time? That's an insane idea, isn't it? It is a great mystery. Or is it? Is it so mundane as reading the records stored in the Akashic database and presenting it in the various formats of the different tools? You can check the link above for the video on Akashic Records database. After all, everything is recorded here, including the live script that is also saved in the Akashic database. If the script is already written and all the possibilities are already mapped out, then it's easy peasy to predict events, right? If the player is running as per the script written, then it becomes very easy to know the future. The problem arises if the player decides to not follow the script and takes decisions that are not as per the default path. So, a different timeline plays out in that respect. The way I see it is, major events are written into the script, so the tools can pick up on this by accessing the database of records. Day-to-day activities depend on the current state, that is emotions, feelings, thoughts of the player, so there may be some element of free will available here. But the big events are mapped out well in advance, prior to your birth. Unless you actively decide to totally change the trajectory of your life, the script plays out and it is predictable. In my case, major events in my life were predicted, but they never played out. Why? Because I took decisions that did not go as per the default path or timeline. I thought out of the box and decided that the normal life is not for me. I made choices where that particular choice did not exist. Or at least that is what the Matrix made me believe. I make choices that resonate with my values and principles. If two choices were presented to me, I decided to not opt for either of the options and made a totally different choice which was not shown to me. I went against the grain, not what others dictated that I should do. I did not want to be like everyone else. I am an unique individual and I don't take well to be told what to do. I still choose based on what empowers me and what furthers my mission here. So, the Matrix is forced to write a different story for me on the fly, as and when I make decisions that did not conform to the script written for my avatar. The TV series Peripheral comes to mind, which shows how to think differently about your situation. A dialogue from the TV series Peripheral, Season 1, Episode 4, goes like this. What's the first thing you do when you get into the simulation? Break script, do exactly opposite of what's expected. And what happens? I die a bunch, look pretty stupid. And then figure out a rule set. And then I take control. The TV series Dark Matter shows how the decisions that we make in our life impact the future. Something was driving me to be different. I took control of my life's trajectory and decided to live it the way I want to. Not as per the life script the Matrix wrote prior to my avatar's birth. I decided to give my avatar a ride of its life. Which timeline are you on? Thank you for watching. Do check out our website and subscribe to this channel.